Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are fixing the bed rattle on the Honda Pioneer 1000. This is our solution that we have done or whatever. I asked my dad about the problem, and he instantly came up with a 1/4 inch fuel line and to put over the edge here on both sides. And so it slides over, and then since there is so much room in this latch here, that's partly why there's a lot of noise as well, because your latch can go up and down quite a bit. So there's room for that fuel line or cover to go over it. The reason why we would choose fuel line over just a rubber hose is that the fuel line has like more of a lining to it than just a rubber hose, so it'll be stronger. So yeah, once you put that on there, you can close your bed. And there's no more movement left in it anymore. Now, the only thing that still rattles for us is because we have a bed extender on it, and there's a lot of moving parts to this, and the tailgate has a little bit of play in it too, so we can't quite get rid of that noise. But the bed was very loud, and just putting that 1/4 inch fuel line on it solve that issue, and now we can ride down the road with a little less noise, a little less squeak. It was always just a very bad squeak. So okay, so that's the video. We just wanted to show you how we solved the noise, and hopefully that'll help you out.